Have you ever tried to get this off-the-shoulder sweatshirt look and you cut it confidently, thinking that all you had to do was cut it in a circle and then you would have the perfect fit, all to realize that you actually cut too much off? Yeah, if you've done that, then I am here for you. So I'm gonna share with you all the tips and tricks to help you get the perfect cut every time and to help you not to ruin your favorite sweatshirt. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina, and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am super excited to share with you guys something really simple, or that I think is really simple, but some of these helpful tips will definitely help you to do this absolutely perfectly. Now, I do have on one of my brand tees. This is Blueprint Signature, my brand. But the unique thing about my brand is that I do also share all of the tutorials here on Blueprint DIY. And since we do have a drop coming up very soon, then after that, you guys are going to get back to back upcycle tutorials. So if you guys have been missing my upcycle tutorials, just stay tuned. We have a bunch coming up. All right, so let's get to learn how to do the perfect off-the-shoulder cropped sweatshirt. All right, so we're gonna start off with this sweatshirt. This is one of my Blueprint Signature sweatshirts that are rolling out right now. So if you're interested, check out blueprintsignature.com. But the secret sauce to making an off-the-shoulder or crop sweatshirt is definitely to cut a little bit at a time and then try on a lot. So we're gonna take this sweatshirt, and the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply cut off the collar. And something that people do that's wrong is they cut off the collar both layers at the same time. I am going to go ahead and cut just the front layer, and then I'm gonna cut the back layer, just the collar off. So I'm just gonna make a little snip. And then I'm gonna cut just the back collar off. Now we're going to try it on again. We are going to cut the bottom off as well. And we're going to try it on again and see where it hits on our shoulders to see if, how we like that. And then we'll cut a little bit more off as well. We should only have to do one, maybe two cuts max. But we want to do it this way because most people just cut and then it's way too wide and it's falling off their shoulder. All right, you can see how with just that little adjustment, it's already starting to come off the shoulder. That's the reason why I don't ever want to just cut and think about it afterwards. All right, so then I can see like I want it probably to hit right here on the shoulder. I am going to add a pin right there just to show me how much more of an opening I would like. And then I'm also going to crop it on the bottom, and actually that pin works well. I'm going to crop it to right there so that it's kind of like a long crop. And I'm going to show you how to crop it, how to cut like really, really nice, clean cuts and make this look absolutely perfect so you don't mess up your favorite sweatshirt. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. We are in the middle of a series about transforming our thrifted clothes or the clothes already in our closet into our dream Pinterest wardrobe. I know you have a Pinterest board that's probably been sitting. You've been wanting to do some of these projects, so now you can. And as I said before, we do have a new collection for Blueprint Signature coming out November 21st. It is super excited. The name of the collection is Home for the Holidays. We are going to do our shoot very soon. I'm super excited about it. So definitely mark your calendars and keep checking blueprintsignature.com. And if you want to shop the pieces early, we do have a special for our subscribers to our email group on blueprintsignature.com, where you guys get to shop the pieces early. So if you want to get yours before everybody else takes them up, then definitely subscribe so you don't miss. I'll put that link in the description box below. All right, back to the video. All right, so let me tell you the next thing you're not going to do. Might be thinking, oh, I'm going to cut all of that to one side. No, I'm not going to do that because I want to be able to wear it off the shoulder on either side of my body. So I'm not going to cut it all on this side. I'm going to take this measurement and divide it in half and do that on both sides. So if it's 3 inches, I'm going to split the difference and go 1.5 on that side and 1.5 on this side. And then I am going to cut, but I'm still going to keep this same distance below. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to cut from here and I'm going to shallow it out. So I add a little slit, slip my scissors in, and I'm making nice long strokes. That's gonna make your cuts better. On this side. Go up that way. And now I'm going to taper off this one as well. So this one's going to go a little bit lower. All right, so now we have a bigger hole without losing, like without this completely losing its shape. And then let's do the bottom, same thing. So I'm going to just use a ruler and draw a line. I'm just gonna begin to cut, open up the scissors all the way. Long cuts, move the scissors closer in, match the place where you cut it before, and then start to cut again. You wanna keep that. And having a line definitely helps. If I'm off like this and I'm on there, that's where you get your jagged edges. So you wanna make sure the scissors line up with your last cut. The sharp edge of the scissors line up with your last cut. And that is as flat as possible. All right. And then you can see on the back edge, the front edge looks perfect. The back edge is not. If you have places where it's not, you can go back in. And cut that again on all the places that are jagged. All right, so now someone's gonna ask, do I need to finish this? No, you don't. It's going to curl up, that's fine. There is a type of terry cloth that has the little loops in it. That particular type of terry cloth does ravel. This kind, like a vintage sweatshirt or a normal sweatshirt, the ones with the really soft inside, or the one that does this, like the fleece inside, that one does not really fray and it'll be perfect unfinished. You don't have to worry about that. All right, so as you can see, if you know a couple helpful tips and tricks, you will not go wrong in this project, and then it becomes very simple, very easy, and very quick. So let's see how it turned out. There you have it. Something you can do with scissors only. You guys love things that you only need scissors, and this one, it doesn't even take any weaving or anything like that. This one that I wore here, I've also styled this on Tiara. It looks really, really good on her. So it's like these oversized sweatshirts fit a bunch of different sizes. You guys let me know if you guys want me to include the already cut sweatshirts on the site. Do you want to cut your own, or you want me to do it for you? Let me know. And before I forget, we do have the crisscross jeans on the site now. They are live. You can shop both blue and black. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that. When we went to LA, we got so many compliments about these. We went ahead and released them. So definitely go check those out before they're gone. And you don't want to miss next week, because we will be doing a thrift flip challenge here in the office. I'll be sharing the tutorial of whatever I make. I have no idea what I'm going to make, and I'm super nervous about it, but everybody's making a thrift flip in the office, and you guys will get to see what it is, as well as the tutorial for what I do. So you don't want to miss it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right,